Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start in Chrome, open it and make sure you are in the profile where you want extensions. Click the three-dot menu at the top right. This reveals browser controls. Once the menu is open, choose More Tools, then Extensions. That action takes you directly to the Extensions page. Doing this now avoids searching settings. It puts you where you can view, enable, or remove extensions immediately. On the Extensions page, you will see cards for each installed item. Use the search box to find one fast. Once located, toggle the blue switch to enable or disable it. This is safest for testing. If you need more control, click Details. Here you adjust permissions, set site access, and open the extensions options. Make sure to review permissions because they explain why an extension needs search. To install, open the Chrome Web Store link from the Extensions page or drag a CRX file into the window and follow prompts. To remove an extension, click Remove on its card. To update, use the toolbar menu or enable developer mode and click Update. If something goes wrong, disable the extension, clear browser cache, and restart Chrome. That often fixes conflicts. If not, enable developer mode and look for errors in the background page to diagnose the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.